Welcome to another American Beauty product support video tutorial.
This video demonstrates the process of pulsing as a method of avoiding thermal damage caused by excessive dwell time requirement. Brazing 5/8" thin wall copper is at the upper limits of the recommendation specified for the model 10577 high capacity brazing system. In keeping with the maximum dwell time recommendation of 20 seconds and using the highest power setting for this system, we were able to achieve the required temperature to melt and flow the brazed material used for this application by implementing a pulsing cycle of 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and 20 seconds on to completion of the intended joint. Using the 50% duty cycle guidelines, the dwell time for this application is considered 40 seconds, and a 40-second cooling time should be allowed prior to repeating this process on the next joint. Remember to always monitor thermal buildup in the handpiece cables, and power unit during use.